Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I went to Ikea and I've did some shopping. So I'm just going to show you guys just a little haul of what I got. I recently moved homes, so I've been doing a lot of home shopping here and there. I'm just going to show you some of the few bits that I picked up from Ikea. If you watch my last vlog, you will see footage from the whole store as well. So if that's something that you want to see, I'll link it in the cards just so you can go ahead and watch that vlog. So yeah, one of the first things that I picked up is this jar. So I picked up this really nice jar, and the idea that I have for this jar, I have some soap bars like different colors from the Body Shop, and I'm just gonna layer all the soaps in this jar and have it in my shelf in the bathroom. So that's really nice. I also picked up some candles. So these are what you call these are candles, like battery operated candles, so they're like the flicker candles, and I got two of these last year for Christmas, two of these, and I'm going to be putting the candles on top of these, which will be really nice. So I didn't want to get the other candles only because I don't want them to burn on top of it. So I think these are really good alternative just to put the candles on. I also picked up some, what do you call these? I don't know when nothing is cold. But I also picked up some napkins. Just to have around the house to, like, you know, use here and there, which is really nice. It wasn't expensive. It was about maybe one pound something for a pack of 100. So that wasn't bad. I picked up a whole 6 case of glasses. This is their goddess glasses, just some water glasses, and I think these are really good quality glasses just to have water. I think they were nice. They were 6 for £3, so that wasn't bad. Picked up this really nice plant pot for the plant that you see behind me here. So yeah, I found this plant pot. They have like a ceramic one, and it was a bit more expensive, but it looked pretty much the same. So I'm gonna say, you know what, let me just get this one instead because it's pretty much the same. The other one is just heavier, and that's the thing. This was, where's my receipt? Let me get my receipt so I can tell you guys the prices for the stuff. She was just £7. Really, it was just £7. It's my Ikea bill. Everything that I purchased today came up to around £152.75. So yeah, this is the plant pot. Really nice plant pot, just so you can see. And inside this plant pot, I got some picture frames actually. So I picked up these it's like a similar, like a knockoff, well, I don't know if I'll say knockoff, but it's something similar to like command strips, so you can put on like picture frames and stuff. So I got these just to try them out. If you guys ever try these one out from Ikea, comment below, let me know if they're any good or if I should just get the one from the command strip brand. So yeah, those are gonna go on top of here. I just got some picture frames, 50 by 70, and I'm gonna put these over my bed. I just got like 2 of them. Still need to find the artwork, can't decide as yet. So that's something that I need to go on the hunt for. But I just got the picture frame because I was in Ikea. So I said, okay, why not? So pick that up. Another thing that I picked up from Ikea, just another storage item. I already have 2 of these. So I just picked up like another one just so I can store my stuff and just get rid of the other one. I want everything to be just this. I have like a white one. So I want to replace the white one with this. I have 3 of this instead of having 2 and a white. So yeah, that was that. You can see, the elephant in the room. There's a big flowers here. Let me see if I can get up and show you. It's massive. This one. It's a massive one. I got that one today as well. It was only £40 and I got that one from Ikea. But yeah, that's her. I picked up some of these. These were originally candle holders, I think. I picked them up in the candle section, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my glass on top of it. I'm gonna use it as a coaster instead, just to put in my room, you know, on the little side table. I'll just have my glass, because I like to have a glass of water in the night, and I'll just put my water on that. Another little thing that I picked up was this in this is like a phone stand. I found it like in the desk area where the desks are, workstation, and I'm just gonna put my phone here on my side table. If I'm getting like any calls or anything, watching movie on my phone, I can just put her here. So that was good, and I think this was around £2 something. Again, I will leave the prices on the screen, or I will link all the stuff that I got in the description bar below. So yeah, okay guys, I did show a little bit of my day on my Instagram. I show most of my day there, so if that's something that you love to see, ensure that you're following me on my Instagram at Liz Charlton. Again, I'll leave it on the screen and also leave the links to that below. I think that's it for the whole Ikea haul. It was a good shop, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I actually forget to show you guys what was in the box behind me. It was this gorgeous shelving unit that I got from Ikea. I got it for like £45. It was the only thing, promise you, the only thing I went to Ikea for. I'm gonna end up with all of the other stuff, but I love this so much. I can't wait for just do her up a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is something you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I can know I can continue doing videos like this. Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.